So wala pa siyang battery and charger, unit pa lang. And yung body ng unit is polymer. And naka-pre-upgrade na rin ng parts, 6.03mm na inner barrel. Naka-reinforce na rin yung internal parts. Quick release system na rin. So the same siya dun sa mga ibang Lancer Tactical. Yung internals pero wala lang tong tawag dito, gate aster. I-test natin. Throw na check. Auto. FPS out of the box is around 390 to 400. By the way, naka na rin siya, flat trigger. So guys, for details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi PH.